Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Hope you guys are all doing well. We are back with my daughter Emmy.
Hi!
We're back with our 12 Days of Christmas Crafty countdown, and we have our Target Advent Calendar. Let's open box number 7 and see what we got.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's big.
That is pretty big. Let's see what we got.
Next project is a paper tube penguin. Now they're penguin buddies.
Hope you guys enjoyed this 12 Days of Crafty Christmas countdown. Join us again tomorrow. See you next time.